duck coconut milk rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the non-veg recipes and one of the most unique of the duck recipes and one of the most nutritious of the fried rice recipes and one of the most healthiest of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most different of the duck meat recipes. Today we are going to make duck coconut milk rice. The ingredients are around 600 grams of duck cleaned and cut into pieces, around 20 shallots, 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, 1 onion cut into pieces, 2 green chillies, and 1 tomato cut into pieces. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the onion pieces. And the shallots. That way until the onion lose their pinkish color. Sorting. Thoroughly sort and mix. Mix thoroughly. Put in the ginger, garlic, mix. Let it settle. Limit. Put in salt to taste. Mix thoroughly. Mix the salt into the texture thoroughly. Put in the tomato pieces. The tomato pieces. The rest of the mixture. Saute and mix. Now put in mixture spices for garam masala. Mix. We've ground all these spices together. Now put in the duck meat. Mix the duck meat. The rest of the mixture. Now put in the green chili. Mix thoroughly. Now pour in 250 ml of coconut milk. Mix. And let the mixture cook for around 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, put in the washed and soaked rice. mix in the rice into the mixture and let the mixture cook for 15 minutes. Now the duck coconut milk rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final duck coconut milk rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the non-veg recipes and one of the most unique of the duck recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most different of the fried rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.